Okay. Top Hat Talk Shows, Mount Rushmore. So our 3 topics that we can pick from: fictional characters, which I think could be fun.
Yeah.
Breakfast foods, I think that's a little too generic, so I say we don't do that one. So I'm just gonna put that one on. Or comedy movies. So fictional characters or comedy movies.
Ooh. Honestly, I kind of like fictional characters,
I
but if
kinda
you
like
guys,
fictional
I could go fictional characters.
Now,
yeah.
are we gonna go like any fictional character?
That's like complete on
Anything.
like.
Okay.
Yeah, go for what.
So
Anything.
we're doing top 4. So are we? Okay. So I say you start.
oh, good. Ooh. All right. Fictional characters. Any.
Any fictional character.
Okay.
And this might be harder than I thought.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
there's
I thought
so
I'd go blank.
many. All right. I'm gonna just go with One Piece Luffy.
Honestly, I don't
Big
know who
fan
that
of
is.
him. Big fan of him.
The One Piece is real.
It is
Mm.
pretty real. All right, you.
Definitely a big tone shift. I've always had a soft spot for Looney Tunes. I gotta go Bugs Bunny, man.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Maybe a little bit controversial, but my top pick is probably Meta Knight.
You
Okay.
Brawl player.
Okay.
This man plays Brawl.
Okay, but okay. I watched the the Kirby Right Back at You TV show,
That's true.
and
That's fair.
Meta Knight was the best part of that show. Okay, it's hands down
Bring back the guy that voiced DDD for Smash.
for real. So wait, does that mean it gets big again?
Yeah.
So number 2.
Yeah.
We can cut this part out anyways.
It's nice whenever I'm not the one stressing about it.
Fictional character BT from Titanfall 2.
Oh.
That's
No, Titanfall's
that's a
always good.
crazy
Titanfall
pick.
2 BT0174, I think is what his name is.
Oh, that is.
I was super close to crying when he died in that game.
Big rips. All right. Well, I had one night for gore.
Man, it feels so nice when you don't
Yeah.
have to pick.
Yeah, I
bet.
know. I'm gonna be stressing when it's my turn.
Man, I gotta be thinking about my number 3 before
Yeah.
it gets back to
No,
me.
I don't even know what I'm doing for number 2 yet.
Shoot, I had one.
I feel like we should have put like a boundary towards which types of fiction.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Because
But-
it's so
Oh,
broad.
Batman, of course.
Oh,
Batman?
that was my pick.
But I'll be specific. Terry McGinnis Batman.
Oh.
Batman and Batman Beyond.
Okay.
It's gotta be like my favorite series.
Okay, I gotta be honest.
I got a soft spot for that one.
I gotta be honest. The Christian Bale Batman is the best Batman, and I will not hear anything else about it.
Terry McGinnis is like
Okay.
the in
Well, yeah.
the in universe one.
Yeah, I know, but still, he
But-
did. I think he did the best job
Christian
in the
Bale
movies.
did good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, honestly, I kind of agree with Steve on this one. I
Well,
like.
you gotta come up with your own, man.
Well, yeah, but I mean,
Yeah.
okay, now it's your turn.
Well, I was gonna pick Batman, but now I'm gonna have to think about this. 2 second pick. Oh, Iron Giant.
Mm.
That's a
I
good
loved
one.
that character so much.
That was like I watched that a lot as a kid.
yeah, child.
I like that show. Movie. I haven't seen it in a while. Hot minute, but I like it.
Yeah.
Now you get to pick
Pick
again.
Oh no. Oh man, this is.
So we're only going to 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
add a slow zoom into Seb on this one. Just keep zooming the longer that he's thinking.
This is tough.
I've got my 3rd pick. I gotta think of my 4th.
You know what? I'm gonna take it back a notch. I'm gonna go with the one, the only Avatar, Mr. Airbender.
No.
You gotta say his name though.
Yeah, say his
You gotta
name
say
right.
his name.
Say his name and I'll let you
Aang.
have
There
that.
you go.
Okay,
Aang.
cool.
Gotta be like, if you don't know the name,
I'm about to.
I know the name. I just.
Why was that your third?
No, it's not.
Okay.
I forgot about Avatar.
I remember
characters,
when
though.
I was a kid and I
Yeah.
would watch that on Cartoon Network.
Dude, Avatar, best TV show.
I
hands
got
down.
okay. Now that you got onto the also that was Nickelodeon.
Oh,
Yeah,
it
it
was
was
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon. What did you say,
though.
Cartoon Network?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you did.
my
Bro.
bad.
I'm glad you said it. I'm glad that you said Cartoon Network though, because that got me thinking.
You gonna say
Yeah.
Gumball?
No.
Okay.
Oh, come on, I got class.
I was thinking
Yeah.
about it.
Come on, Johnny Bravo.
Oh, that's
okay.
smoking
okay,
one.
okay.
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 Bravo's classic. But you ever watch it? I'm annoyed because he's not like on any streaming services.
Yeah.
He's not even on HBO Max like the rest of them. He didn't. It's not like he was there and then got taken off when like a bunch of them did. No, he just never was there.
Mm.
Sad.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3 pick. Because I feel like you guys are kind of starting to think about superheroes now. After you said Batman, I'm gonna go with Heath Ledger Joker, because he's the best Joker that we've ever had, and that's just a fact. Anybody who doesn't agree can. I can't say that.
Okay, good to know.
Not only can I do the impression, so it's got a special place in my heart, but he's a good actor, and he did a phenomenal job as that character. So, now, for my number 4.
Final pick.
Final pick.
Number
for you.
4. I had it and I forgot. No. Okay, no. I got it. Number 4, Uncle Iroh from Avatar.
Yeah.
Possibly,
Not bad.
possibly the best.
Uncle
old
Iroh
man.
was a really fun character.
He's the best character in Avatar. Well, he's not the best. He's one of. He's top. He's
Yeah.
top.
Okay.
Yeah, and since if I didn't pick a character from anime, I feel like I would be
Missing out.
ignoring my true self. I gotta say Spike Spiegel from Cowboy Bebop,
Oh, Cowboy Bebop. That's.
but not the
such-
live action one. Although he is played by can't remember his name, but he's one of the guys in Harold and Kumar. It's one of those two guys.
All right. Well, for my final pick, I think I'm gonna stick on the road of cartoons, and I'm gonna go with Mordecai from regular
Really?
show.
More okay. I didn't like the regular show.
You
I did
didn't?
not like regular show.
It was
either.
not.
Really?
It was not very
Listen,
good.
all of our friends that made poor life choices, like all of my brother's friends that made poor life choices, always watched a regular show. So we were like,
Yeah. No, it's just it was so boring.
yeah, it kind of followed a
Okay.
pretty
It
steep
did.
curve. Like
It stood
was boring
by
for,
the
like,
name
the first
though.
like 3/4 of the episode, and then it just goes.
It
to the
stood
end.
by the name though.
It definitely did stay by
It
the name
did.
until the end,
It
Yeah.
it very much was the regular show.
and then they went
Yeah.
to space. which was
Honestly,
weird,
I'm
but-
surprised
Yeah.
none of you said any Adventure Time characters.
I was
That's
just
true, that's
thinking
true.
about
I think
that.
they're kind of honorable mentions though. I
Yeah.
feel like most of the cast of Cartoon Network can be like
Oh, yeah.
like early Cartoon Network.
Yeah.
You can
Early
write that.
Cartoon Network.
Move
Like
it down.
okay. The Ben 10 characters.
Oh
I
yeah.
never watched that much Ben 10.
You never watched Ben 10? Really?
Never watched that much.
Really?
Those were good shows.
Those were
Okay.
really good shows.
Recap. My top 4. Meta Knight, BT, Heath Ledger Joker, Uncle Iroh. I think that's a pretty solid
It is
list.
solid.
That's pretty
So we
solid.
got Bugs Bunny,
That was such a good pick.
That was
Batman,
Another great pick.
blanking on it. What did I say for the third one? Help me out here.
Yeah.
I know you're busy.
No,
remembering
Johnny.
now. Oh yeah, Johnny Bravo.
Johnny
Yeah.
Bravo.
So
Yeah.
Bugs Bunny, Batman, Johnny Bravo, and Spike Spiegel. Also, I feel like a pretty solid lineup. At least the first 3.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then I had the Iron Giant, the
No, you picked Luffy first.
You
I
picked
picked
Luffy
Luffy, Iron Giant, Aang, and then for my final pick, I picked Mordecai.
See,
I think we can rule out Seb.
I don't know because he's got a good list.
I got a
except-
good list
except
to
for
the
Mordecai.
majority of people.
Yeah.
You two
Mordecai
just
just
don't
doesn't
watch.
do it for me.
That's true. I feel like I kind of have like the most like general audiences kind of one.
True, but I feel like
got Bugs and
me
Bats.
personally, I feel like I got the Titans. I got the Titans on my list.
I think you do have quite a good setup there.
I'm very well rounded.
Yeah.
You do have a very well-rounded
I've
list.
got I've got 2 TV shows, but I've got video game, I've got live action movie, he's not really a superhero, but I've got 2 TV shows, so I feel like I cover a very good basis. Most people know what Avatar is.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people know what Titanfall 2 is, so I will give them.
I feel like I got 2 like.
You've got 2.
Honestly,
Your
I got,
first 2
I got
are
3.
solid.
Okay, my
Bugs
first 3
and
are all
Batman.
like solid,
Those
like
are
Saturday morning cartoon.
That's
reps.
true.
Yeah,
Yeah, you wake up in the
100%.
morning,
That
you
was pretty
pop
good.
those on.
Oh, that's classic morning.
It's true. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't think.
I had some good picks. I will accept
I think
Mordecai,
Mordecai was kinda
maybe
where you fell.
wasn't
Yeah.
a great pick, but it was my straight lined brain thought from Cartoon Network. So
You really watched that show, really? Did you actually?
I
Okay,
think I
okay,
watched
here's
it,
a
but I
better
don't
question.
watched it all the way through.
Did you watch it
Did you
more or less than Adventure Time?
Did you watch it?
Less.
Good.
Did you watch
But-
it and enjoy it?
I did enjoy it. It wasn't terrible.
Mm,
I'm gonna have to vote Jordan on this one. I think that's a pretty top tier cast. So you really did
Honestly,
keep it well rounded.
I don't want to vote for myself, but I would have voted yours if you didn't go for Mordecai. I really would
Oh
have.
my
If you had
God.
picked Finn, I think you probably would have won.
Yeah, I realized I made a pretty big boo boo.
Okay, well, what do you think? What do you think?
Honestly, I'm liking Matt's.
You liking Matt's?
Yeah.
You say that like mine is bad.
Well, no, yours
agreed
is
that
good,
mine
but
pretty
that
good.
means I don't want you to win, but I can't vote for myself.
What's wrong with me?
Because I don't know. I mean,
The
do you
three-way
hate this
tie,
here,
you just
Jordan?
pick me, and then we have to have like some debate over a
you know
final
what?
character.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna vote his. Just
Oh,
so,
so
it's
we
a
need to pick-
three-way tie.
Okay, so then how are we gonna settle this?
I say we have an outside source vote for whose is better.
Oh,
Mr. Vogel.
special guest.
Okay, so my top 4 was Meta Knight from Kirby or Super Smash Bros, whichever one. BT from Titanfall 2. He's like a giant mech that you are friends with in the game. Then the Heath Ledger Joker from The Dark Knight. And then my final pick was, gosh, who was it? Uncle Iroh from Avatar:
Oh,
The Last
yeah, that's
Airbender.
Okay.
And I had Bugs Bunny, Batman,
Two strong picks.
yeah, Johnny Bravo, and Spike Spiegel from Cowboy Bebop.
Okay. All right.
I picked Luffy from One Piece, the Iron Giant, then I picked Aang from the Avatar, and then my final pick was Mordecai from regular
I really
show.
feel like Mordecai's where it.
I know, it's just
Yeah.
The-
See, I don't know some of those because I'm
really
The regular,
yeah.
the regular
But
show.
Batman and Bugs Bunny.
those are
But
some great top
Heath Ledger
picks.
though.
That is, I would have to say 1, 2, 3.
What's up with
Really?
me?
Wow.
Take the
Okay.
cake.
Okay.
But-
None of my top 4 fictional characters.
I feel like
you
for
haven't made, none of you guys selected any of my top.
I gotta be honest though. I feel like for our generation,
Yes.
I feel like I may have.
I feel like for you, yeah,
It's a very different.
Yeah.
generation.
Yeah.
My top 4 is definitely.
but like I said, mine is kind of like the whole like all.
You have a very well-rounded list.
Very-
yeah, you got some
very
really
well-rounded
good
Okay.
ones.
Honorable
generational
mention
peak.
number 5. Honorable mention, Yakko from Animaniacs.
Oh, true. Animaniacs good.
Mhm.
All right, yeah, I should.
Honorable mention doesn't count, but
So you say Yako?
Yakko.
You said Yako.
I did not say Yakko.
It sounded like
Why
you
you
did.
did that? I did not.
Anyways,
very different generation.
Very
Number
different.
Yeah.
9, James Bond. Number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2, Captain America.
Okay, so you're just going. You're just
He's
going.
really, I would have
Okay.
picked Tony Stark.
They're
but-
not really fictional.
Tony
They're
Stark was
actual
made, but it was
actors.
Captain America. I like Captain America a little more
I
than
said
Iron
Heath
Man.
Ledger Joker.
But it's still
I
pretty good.
know.
And then, what was my other one? Oh, Jack Ryan from, like, going for book novels, not necessarily the movies, but Jack Ryan, the novels.
Okay.
And then the 4th one was Darth Vader.
Okay, Star Wars.
Okay, none of us picked the
That's
Star Wars.
I'm
surprising.
actually shocked.
Actually.
I
Star
would-
Wars is a really
If
good
I had
pick.
thought about it, I probably would have picked a Star Wars
Yeah,
character.
I was
It's
not
very
thinking.
broad.
Honestly,
category.
honestly, if
Yeah.
I had to
That's a
Video
really
games,
good.
Honestly.
books, TV.
B1 battle
be one Fountain.
B1.
No, Mace Windu be
out the window.
like my Star Wars pick.
Mm.
All right, I think
What's
it's
your
been
honorable mention?
decided.
Honorable mention.
Oh, honorable mention. Honestly, I'm gonna go with Grunkle Stan from Gravity
Oh
Falls.
no, Bill! Bill's
Bill!
Cypher is
Bill
good.
Cipher's
Oh,
my favorite character.
He was
from
such a
Gravity
good
Falls.
character. Oh man.
Man, I should have thought a little
And,
harder.
like nobody could ever replicate his voice though.
No.
Like it's such a simple voice. Like
Well,
it's not
you
even doing that
know,
much of them,
well,
but
yeah,
it's
well,
so hard to
the
replicate.
voice actor for Grunkle Stan did like almost all the characters.
Yeah, no, they did a lot. They did a lot of the voices. Yeah.
He did Grunkle Stan, he did Bill Cipher, and then a few of the townsfolk as
Yeah.
well.
No, Gravity Falls classic.
Gravity Falls classic. Okay, well, I'd say
It's been decided that
it's been decided that Matt wins.
Yeah.
I have
Thank you,
second.
sirs.
You got third. I really
Mordecai
feel like
was such
I
a
think
bad,
Mordecai is
Bad
was
pick.
doing.
You did
Yeah.
not pick the right counter pick.
If I would have picked,
I realized I
better.
had a first strong first three lineups, so the fourth one kind of really didn't matter a lot.
especially
security.
Luffy. Luffy was a pretty iffy pick.
Yeah, that was not the best pick.
Well,
But I needed to pick someone big.
I would say that's a fine wrap up to Top Hat Talk Shows.
Mm-hmm.
I hope we get to do this again because I quite enjoyed it. I
Yeah.
thought it was fun just to
This
talk
was pretty
about
fun.
to go full out nerd mode
Yeah.
just this once.
But next time we should definitely not broaden it so much. We should give
I
it
should
a
kind of
little
get a bit
border.
narrowed down.
Yeah.
Okay. Cut.